Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to request a refund in the Falou app on Android. If you recently made a purchase and need your money back, this guide will walk you through the exact process inside the app. First, open the Falou app on your mobile phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the Progress section. After that, go to the top right corner and click on the Settings icon. Then, from List, click on I Need Help. After that, scroll through the available options until you find the section labeled How do I request a refund? Tap on it. You will now see a button labeled Request Refund on Android. Tap on it. Next, the app will guide you to the confirmation screen. Tap on Continue to proceed with your request. Once confirmed, your request will be sent for processing, and you should receive further updates from the app regarding the status of your refund. That's how you request a refund in the Falou app on Android. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.